Alrighty, we're in my bedroom with my favorite fire alarm devices, and if we look over here, we got a couple of packages. So, what does that mean? Well, let's open them up and take a look. Alright, got the camera set up at a good angle now, so let's see. I think I'm gonna open this one first. Alright, let's see what we got. And oh yeah, we have a System Sensor Spectre Alert Classic. This is an alarm that I've been wanting for a while now. Let's see. This is a fixed This is one of the fixed Candela models. Yeah, it's 1575. I don't know if you can see that very well. Alright. Anyway, let's go ahead and move on to the next one. Alrighty. Now let's see what's in this one here. Got some packing paper. Oh yeah! We have a Simplex 4903 9101 strobe plate. I think this is gonna go very well with my 2901 9845 here. Oh yeah, look at that. Alrighty, so here's a look at what we got so far. I know this was kind of short, but I do have some more stuff on the way, and I am planning on doing another unboxing video for those when they get here. Anyway, that's gonna do it for this video. I also want to give a special shout out to the eBay seller Various 55. So he was the seller that I bought the strobe plate from, and somehow it was actually delivered to the wrong address, and as you all might know, I actually live in Colorado, and this was actually delivered to an address in Louisiana, but all that aside, it was well worth the wait. So so if you're watching this, it was a pleasure doing business with you. Anyway, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.